May 2022. Just been hanging out down here in Cabo. Originally came down for the Chloe and Lars wedding. I was up at the Cape Hotel. Beautiful venue. You got some incredible views up there looking out towards the arch. The music was amazing. They hired a DJ, brought him down from California, who also doubles as a musician. Gets right in there in the crowd. They do a lot of cover songs. Got the crowd going. It was very festive. Had a good group of people there. Everyone was real lively. Surf was a little funky when I first showed up. Had some strong winds coming out of the east, which kind of created a little bit of rib in the face. Makes it difficult to surf.
Dude, yes, Colin!
Oh yeah.
That was fucking sick!
Day 2, got up, went and played golf at Los Cabos. It's a new course just past the marina. Beautiful spot, got some incredible views, looking out at the ocean. Backs up right against a nice hotel. Course is really long, so you drive around, you get to see a bunch of different things. You get some desert views, you get some par 3s, some par 4s, some really cool elevation spots. You come right down to the beach on one hole. There's drink stations every 3 holes, so it got a little wild towards the end. And it was a great time with the boys. Couldn't ask for better conditions. So I've been waiting for this new swell to fill in. Hopefully tomorrow we're going to get not only new surf, but also less wind. Could be a good combination of conditions, and hopefully find a couple windows right out back here at Zippers. Wind is up, surf is dying. I got a mean sunburn. I think it's time to go home.
All right.